everybody. Today is Friday, May 23rd, 2025. I'm taking Lily outside right now. I'm also trying to find Haley. I can't find Haley anywhere. Guys, it is storming outside. The power just flickered, so yeah, the clouds do not look pretty. I'll show you what the clouds look like. It does not look pretty. Yeah, it does not look pretty. I don't look pretty at all. It's right about the window. Nuggy, you watching it? Thanks for pictures. Hi, you hear that, Lily? It's okay, Lily. Oh, there's Tuxie. Tuxie. What the? Okay. Okay. There's Lily. It's so pretty now. Much better than what it was yesterday. So what's cooking today? Ham? Mac and cheese? Scalloped potatoes?
Yeah.
And some stovetop stuffing and some beans. This is what my mom actually cooked. There's some stuffing. And here is some mac and cheese. Scalloped potatoes. And last but not least, the ham. And this is the glaze we're going to put on top of the ham. And the beans.
To the side. Oh, it's coming. The bone's coming out. Oh, well. Yeah, I'm just getting
That was good.
all the way around. Yeah, look, that piece came off. Hold on. All over the place. Let me get a spoon.
Hey guys, today is Sunday, May 25th, 2025. And I think I'm gonna have to end the vlog here for this week, because we were gonna do another arts and crafts part 2 for you guys, because I know you guys probably miss it. So just gonna probably, if not, probably post it whenever I can. It'll be on a Monday. I'll let you guys know ahead of time whenever we decided to do it. Hopefully it'll be soon. I'm gonna do some arts and crafts, show off the get on the porch for you guys. But I'm gonna let you guys go, and thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.